Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. Today's Stellar is going good and bit bullish and trying to break out this resistance that I was telling you on the weekly time frame. It is really very important for the Stellar to break it out as soon as possible. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to re-enter in this pattern after breaking out this resistance or it is moving more down. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, let me to recall this pattern that I am sharing almost every video with you, and that is a bullish harmonic Gartley move on the weekly time frame. And this is the basic reason that for the price reversal. And you can see that the price line completed this leg here when I shared this pattern on 11th of December with my members at the Patreon. And the sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley are 32 cents and goes to approximately 40 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see from 26 cents approximately, it has rallied up to 30.59 cents so far and very close to hit these sell targets. But I'm expecting that this reversal will be more powerful because this reversal can invite many breakouts as well, because at the same time it can be the big reason for breaking out this big resistance that is in fact the support of the falling wedge that recently Stellar broken down. And after breaking down this support, we also had an additional price level support at 25.5 cents that I was showing you even in my previous video, that we have a very, very strong key support here, and the price line is being accumulated above this support. And we also have a very, very strong support of the 100 simple moving average as well on the weekly time frame. And you can see that since November 2020, the price line never break down this support of the 100 simple moving average. Even the price line did not test this support of the 100 SMA. It was only testing this support of the rising wedge pattern. Here we had a long spike in the month at the end of November 2021, and here the price line tested the support after more than a year. And after testing it, it recovered back and it was accumulated above this 25.5 cents support level. Now it is trying to re-enter the wedge, and if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that it is very, very strong bullish on the 4-hourly time frame, because it has also broken out the 100 simple moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, and soon it will hit this resistance to re-enter the wedge. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then here price line has already broken out the resistance of the down channel that I showed you in my previous videos, that we have broken out this resistance of the channel, and this is another reason for the price reversal, and soon we can re-enter this wedge. Now after, when we will be re-entered in this wedge, soon we can expect a move up to this resistance by the price line to make another attempt to break out this resistance that will be approximately at 40 cents. And for example, if the price line breaks it out, then after breaking out this resistance of the wedge, we can expect a further move approximately at 64 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.